Welcome to a nuanced exploration of the impactful presidency of Donald J. Trump, the 45th President of the United States. In this video essay, we will delve into the multifaceted aspects of Trump's time in office, from economic policies and foreign affairs to criminal justice reform and infrastructure initiatives. Regardless of your political leanings, understanding the diverse dimensions of Trump's leadership is crucial to appreciating the complexity of this chapter in American history. Don't forget to subscribe us for more videos like this. Donald Trump's presidency was defined by a bold commitment to economic growth. His administration implemented sweeping tax cuts, deregulation, and trade policies, fostering a pre-pandemic era marked by robust job creation and record-low unemployment rates. This economic focus underscored Trump's dedication to the prosperity of the American people. Trump's America First approach left an indelible mark on U.S. foreign policy. From renegotiating trade deals to urging NATO allies to contribute more to defense spending, the administration's stance aimed at redefining global relationships. The historic Abraham Accords in the Middle East highlighted Trump's pursuit of regional stability through diplomatic means. Contrary to expectations, Trump championed bipartisan criminal justice reform. The signing of the First Step Act signaled a commitment to addressing mass incarceration, promoting rehabilitation, and fostering a fairer criminal justice system. This unexpected move showcased the administration's dedication to social progress. Infrastructure development and innovation were key priorities for the Trump administration. From advocating for comprehensive infrastructure plans to spearheading Operation Warp Speed for COVID-19 vaccine development, Trump demonstrated a commitment to modernizing critical systems and advancing scientific progress. In conclusion, this video essay has provided a comprehensive look at the dynamic legacy of Donald Trump's presidency. Beyond the headlines and political debates, we've examined the economic, foreign policy, criminal justice, and infrastructure achievements that shaped this era. By embracing the nuanced aspects of Trump's leadership, we gain a more complete understanding of the man and the multifaceted impact he had on the United States during his time in office. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my Sneezehut YouTube channel and consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with your friends.